Acrylic patch binder is an ideal material for filling low spots on tennis court surfaces. Acrylic patch binder is designed to be mixed at the job site with sand and cement. The binder, sand, and cement mixture produces a fast-drying and exceptionally durable patching material. The acrylic patch binder mix design begins with combining dry Portland cement and dry sand. Using an electric drill, mix the dry materials together prior to adding to the acrylic patch binder liquid. It's important to screen the Portland cement thoroughly before adding to the sand. This will prevent lumps in the final patch mix. Standard window screen material works well for this purpose. Be sure to refer to the product specification sheet for detailed mixing and application instructions. The acrylic patch binder liquid is then added to the pre-mixed sand and cement. Be sure to mix slowly with drill while acrylic patch binder is slowly added. Mix materials thoroughly until smooth and lump-free. The patch mix should be slightly thick, yet free-flowing and workable. Do not overmix material, as this may create excessive air in the mixture. Pour the patch mix into one end of the low spot and continue pouring toward the center. Shown here is a SportMaster patching straight edge being used to screed material across patch area. A wooden board or other type of metal straight edge can also be used for this purpose. The straight edge must be wider than the patch area. Continue to add material to patch as needed and screed smooth with patching straight edge. Carefully remove excess patch material from court surface with a super scraper before material completely dries. Allow patches to dry for 24 hours and then scrape off any rough spots or protrusions that may remain on the patchwork. A coat of acrylic resurfacer is then applied to smooth out the patch area. Shown here is neutral acrylic resurfacer being applied. Acrylic resurfacer is available in both neutral and black color. When there is severe patchwork, as in this case, a second coat of acrylic resurfacer may be applied over the patch areas to further smooth out the areas. Shown here is black acrylic resurfacer being applied. Again, neutral and black acrylic resurfacer are the same products, just different colors, and can be used interchangeably or by themselves. Be sure to scrape all protrusions after each coat of patch material to assure a smooth finish when color coding materials are applied later. After all crack filling and patchwork is complete, scrape and blow off the entire court surface. This will provide a smooth underlayment for the overall application of acrylic resurfacer and color coatings.